What up, y'all? This is Reggie with the Smoke of Solomon, back with another video. As you can see in the thumbnail, I got some new equipment. Now, we got a little baby that we added to the family. And when I say baby, I mean baby. But before we get into that, I want to shout out all of my new subscribers. Thank y'all for believing in your boy. And let's go on this ride together. Now, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, I'll wait. Click the link below and subscribe and get in the loop, because you don't want to miss it. Said before, we added a new baby to the channel. And when I say baby, I mean baby. Look at her, y'all. This is my Weber 18-inch little baby grill. Big Black Bear is holding some salmon today and some chicken. That salmon is about ready to come off. This is some of that jerk salmon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can find that recipe posted on the website. I actually picked this up from my sister who had it, and she wasn't really using it. It was in really good shape. All I had to do was clean it up a little bit. I added a new grate to it. Let's open it up. Got a little broccoli on tap for today. Doing a little meal prep. Let me turn this broccoli up. I just seasoned it with a little salt and pepper, some other stuff. Delicious. If you ever tried roasted broccoli on the grill, please do yourself a favor and try it. But anyway, got a new grate in there. It's got the cool touch handles. Weber, y'all know. Got the ash pan down there. Got the bottom vents down here. Alright, y'all, that's it. I just wanted to show y'all my little toy. As always, keep up to date on the website www.thesmokeofsolomon.com, and we're gonna get it cracking with that little thing, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.